But say no dey see.
My daughter, we don't reach express. I know they see you.
No dey see abi?
I know they see.
No dey see.
Yeah.
No dey see abi?
Oh, no. Guys, this video actually depends on what you want to achieve. But you can see what I shot here. I shoot where he was asking the man, Baba, you think say you know the see? After that, I shoot the part where the man screamed, oh, lo, 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 lo. Then I showcase the sky level. After that, you shoot your empty background. Make sure you shoot the character again, the one that is going to fly up. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, click on CapCut, new video, import your first video to workspace. All right. As we import it now, you play it. From this part, we will crumple it. All right. Then you allow it to play again. Okay. You will stop at the place you said, but my daughter. And when you get there, then you are going to click and crumple it. Then after that, you play it to see what we have got. Then you click on plus again. Then you add your second video. My daughter, you add your second video, mark out the action part. Click it and trim it out. Then my daughter, we don't reach express. That is the place where you are going to. Then you trim it to that and not the SEO. Then after that, you are going to be clicking on plus again. After my daughter, we don't reach express. I know the SEO. Click on this plus again. You import your third video, which is the part where she asked her, you know the C. Click it and import your third video. All right. Import your third video where she's asking her. My daughter, we don't reach express. Then you bring it in. Then you remove the action part. My daughter, we don't reach express. Other parts where they have played already. Okay. Then you click here and make a split. All right. Make a split at this point. Delete this middle part. Yes, I know they see. From where she's asking, okay, take it. From this part, click it now. Then you trim it to where she has raised her hand up. Then after this place now, the next video, the fourth one, you click plus, import this fourth video where he screamed, oh, lo, 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 lo. Import it to workspace. All right. As you import it, to out the action part where the recorder said action, trim that part out. All right. After trimming the part out, just trim it out, don't cut it, trim it out. All right. Click it and trim it out. After that, you are going to be clicking it. Click on click it. Then you go and look for extract audio. Okay, look for extract audio. Make sure you watch this video to the end so as not to miss out on anything. Okay, go and look out for extract audio. This is it. Click on extract audio, then you extract the audio out because you'll be needing it. After you locate this place where he screamed, from this very place now we are going to be making a split. Immediately he screamed, make a split here and delete this last part. Okay, is going to play. Good. So click on this plus now. Then you are going to be importing your empty background. Click on the plus. Then you import your empty background. You are going to click on empty background. We want to silence the volume. So you click it and click on volume. Then you reduce it to 0 and mark on this good and go back. Then we want to trim it. Is too much. So click it and trim it. After trimming it, we are importing that olololo part again. That olololo part. Click on plus, import this olololo part again for the second time. There is need something there. This sky part is what we need. Click it and make a split. You delete this middle part. After that, the next thing we are going to be clicking now is to click on this arrow. Then you click on overlay. Click on overlay there. Add overlay. Click on add overlay. Then you import this other video. Okay, that you recorded. This part. So remove all the necessary ones you need to remove. Click it and drag it to the empty background. All right, just bring it and align it on that empty background you just imported. After that, we want to silence the volume, so you click it and click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on the good and go back, after which you click it again and locate remove BG. Okay, click on remove BG auto removal. You allow it to remove completely. As you can see, it's removing. Okay, now it has removed completely. You mark on that good, then you go back. Now come back to where she threw her hand, then you click on add overlay. Okay, then you import this your light to workspace. Import this light, click on volume and reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back, then locate splice and click on splice, click on filter there guys, mark on this good, then you go back. You are going to be dragging this light to her hand, drag it to her hand, then you do your necessary adjustments. All right, you after adjusting it, you click on the light and add keyframe. Okay, click on this your light here, click on the light, then you are going to be adding keyframe on it. All right, you adjust it a little bit. No, go back from here. Now you drag the light out. After you drag the light out, let's play it to see what we have got. Good, then you adjust a little bit, then you are going to be splitting this light here, make a split, then you come here, click on the light, drag it out. As you drag it out, you are going to be adding another keyframe. So add another keyframe, adjust it, cropple the light. After cropping it, you drag it out from the scene. Then you adjust the light a little bit again and drag the light out. Drag the light out, expound the light and bounce it on the character. After expounding it, bounce it on the character. Then we are going to be playing it to see what we have got so far. Good. So at this point, we are going to be clicking the light to make a split here. You delete this last part, then you click on this down layer, the overlaid video. You click on the overlaid video. You are going to be adding keyframe to it. After your adjustment, add keyframe to it. Okay, add keyframe. As you add keyframe, you adjust it a little bit. Okay, as you adjust it, you are going to be dragging this character up. Drag the character up. All right, that is after your necessary adjustment. I'm making adjustment there because it's too big, after which you are going to be dragging the character up from this empty background first. Drag it up later, you come to the sky part, then you finish it up, move it out of the scene completely. After that, let's play this part. What we have got so far, you just play it. We have got good. This is nice. You can see removing the unwanted part. You can see that overlaid video is longer than the background. I'm going to come back to click it now to trim it to be equal with the background. After trimming it, you come and click the sound. The sound as well is long, so you click the sound and trim it to be equal with the background. At the last now, we are going to play this video from the beginning so that we can see what we have got. So you play this video from the beginning. Remember to add your sound effect and your light effect. After adding them, you can now export your video to your gallery. Okay, so the next thing now is to click on export there. Then you allow your video to export to your gallery. Now this video I've installed in your gallery, you can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you have any magic effect you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay guys, thank you for watching up to this point. See you in our next video.